We have a truly brilliant group of technologists at Releaseworks. We provide cloud and DevOps specialist services, and our people have worked with some of the leading software engineering organizations in London. My name is Miiro Juuso, and I'm the founder of Releaseworks. In every project and team that we work with, we come across a unique set of challenges that can all be solved in a multitude of ways. After doing this long enough and working with enough projects and teams, we started finding similarities and patterns and really recognizing what are the best practices of solving certain technological challenges. This is why we started building Releaseworks Academy, to share the best practices we've learned and make sure we don't need to learn everything the hard way and repeat any mistakes along the way. We think of Releaseworks Academy as an aggregated database of our collective knowledge and experience as DevOps and cloud engineers. We designed Releaseworks Academy to discover and document the best practices of cloud engineering, DevOps and continuous delivery, and do it in a way that is easy to learn and digest. What we're currently seeing is a huge demand on the market for cloud and DevOps skills, and many software engineers that are really keen to learn these things, but might not know where to start. We built Releaseworks Academy as something we can use to train engineers who join Releaseworks and help them understand and implement the best practices in cloud engineering from the ground up. Releaseworks Academy is also a tool we use to train the software engineering teams that we, as a company, work with. I'm personally a firm believer that DevOps is about sharing responsibilities, but also about sharing knowledge. This is why we decided to open Releaseworks Academy to the public, to enable anyone to benefit from the best practices that we have collected over the years. And taking that idea even one step further, we designed Releaseworks Academy to not only teach you DevOps and cloud engineering, but to enable you to teach others as well.